Tampines viewing a 5-room flat, fully renovated by an architect himself. He's the owner. Look at how spacious the living room is. They even hacked up one of the bedrooms for their dining area, and then look at the big island for the kitchen. Oh, you would want to cook here, right? Or even bake. Damn. Then I'll show you the master. Combine two of the bedrooms, so the master is even bigger. So usually the master is like this size. They put a wardrobe all the way, and then the king size bed right here. Something interesting I noticed as well. Usually when people combine the two bedrooms for their master, it's usually the built-in wardrobe, walk-in wardrobe over here, and then the master bed over here. A good thing about this, I would say, actually, is when you walk in, right, it actually gives you a lot of privacy for your bed. So even if you leave your door open, people can't really see your bed. And this flooring here, this is true parquet flooring. You rarely see this as well in condos nowadays. Nice. Then you'll see, usually I don't show this, but you see the toilet is also fully decked out. Even the common toilet as well.
So yeah, that's all for this 5-room BTO at Tampines Greenweave.
Hi guys, quick question for everyone. If you own a BTO and plan to sell it in 5 years time, will you do extensive renovation or just minimal renovation? Let me know.